with Pfizer. Currently, all COVID treatments in the U.S., you need an IV or an injection. This is different. It's an inhibitor. So talk to me about how this stops, the replication process.
Sure. This is, it's big news. This is a randomized controlled trial done by Pfizer looking at people 3 to 5 days into their symptoms. And it is a type what we call a protease inhibitor. And it works inside the cell to prevent the virus replicating itself inside your cells, which is where that happens frequently. So this is not a new drug. We've seen these medications in HIV, but the data is really strong. Now, this has to be published, it has to be vetted, we have to go to the FDA advisory committee. But if these numbers hold up, a 90% reduction in folks with high risk for hospitalization, these are big numbers and could be, to your point. Now, I always have to emphasize, vaccine is the #1 fight, always, always, always. This is a good backup from, if people get infected, but let's just keep clear here that vaccine is our #1 weapon against this.
And there were 7 deaths in the placebo group, but they had 0 deaths in the therapy group.
Yeah, again, the numbers, it was 1,200 patients. So you had 1,200 people as approximately, and half end up getting a placebo pill. And then the other half this is really a combination pill. And the numbers for those who got the medication within 3 days, a 90% reduction in hospitalization and no deaths. And then within 5 days, if they got it, there was a 65% reduction in hospitalizations. And again, no deaths. We could see, Elizabeth, this slowly moving to us managing this at home initially, which would be, I think, transformative. We are all vaccinated. If we have symptoms, we test ourselves at home. If we're positive, we start ourselves on a medication. So this is evolving very quickly in front of our eyes.